Hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to my beauty space. My name is Jenny. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. If you want to learn how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that we're going to do is primer eyes. I'm going to be using the Milani eyeshadow primer. For today's makeup look, I am going to be using the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is an amazing palette. The colors are absolutely beautiful. This is what they look like. My favorite row is this one right here. I love anything that sparkles. I love shimmer, glitters. I just think that they're just so pretty. I personally like them because when I apply them on my eyes, they just make my eyes look bigger. That's just why I mainly love them. I just love it. Anyway, we're going to start off by using this color right here with a fluffy Sigma brush. We're going to apply this color on our crease and then just a little bit higher. So the next thing that I want to do is intensify my crease. I want to go ahead and grab this color right next to it. It's a little bit more brighter than the color that we applied before with a MAC 217 brush. I know this tutorial has so many colors, but hey, we love color here. Sorry, that was my phone. It wasn't me. I wasn't farting, I promise. I'm gonna go in with this really dark brown color with the Morphe 112 brush, this one right here. This brush I really like because it has a little point here at the in the end of it, so it helps going into the areas where I really want to intensify. So we're gonna keep it in the outer corner but in our crease without going all the way in. Before moving on to the next step, I get asked the same question a lot. What do I use for my brushes when I'm like changing like eyeshadows and stuff while I'm doing my makeup? And I use this one. This is the Clinique brush cleanser. I have been using this brush cleanser for years and years. So yeah, I love it. It doesn't damage my brushes and I just use it. It works great. Great. So here comes the fun part. We're going to go in with this beautiful silver color right there in the corner, and you don't have to spray your palette or your brush. It's not needed. The color's already pigmented, like super pigmented. I'm going to wet the brush because it's just a habit of mine. I do it anyway, regardless whether it's like already amazingly pigmented or not. I do it. So what I'm going to use to apply is going to be this E19 brush from Morphe. And of course, we can't forget our glitter glue just to avoid the transferring. So my camera decided to die suddenly and I didn't get to film my eyeliner part, but for eyeliner I am using my gel liner from Inglot in the color black. And for eyelashes today I'm going to be using the Lashes Hollywood. These are from Morphe. So moving on to our skin, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Face Primer. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation from Maybelline. I'm in the color Natural Beige. So for concealer today, I'm going to go in with the Master Conceal from Maybelline. I just add it in the areas where I need it, and normally that's on my under eye area. To set my under eye area, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way Translucent Powder. We're just going to leave that on for a minute or two and then just swipe it away. So for bronzer, I'm going to go in with this one right here. This one is the collaboration that Mariah Carey did with MAC. This one is called My Mimi, and yes, it looks very shimmery, but when you apply it on the skin, it just looks so beautiful. The shimmer doesn't even matter. Trust me, it looks so good. So now we're just carving out our face with the translucent powder. While that sits for a minute, I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna be using this one. This is in the color Devil. This one is from MAC. And when you apply this color, you wanna make sure that you just apply little by little and build it up because it's very, very bright. Sorry. I heard like somebody coming into my house. And it's not my husband because it's 6:53. He doesn't get off work till 7:30. Did you guys hear that? Hold on. And for highlight today, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Duo in the color Sandcastle and Mint Mojito. But we're only gonna stick to this side today. Yes, Fenty, yes. Now we're gonna grab our palette again and go in with this color right here and apply it to our lower lash line. Now we are going to apply my favorite mascara ever. This one is the Voluminous Falls Lash Mascara from L'Oreal. So for lips today, I'm gonna be using a MAC lipstick. This one's in the color Cold Hard Cash. All right, my love, so this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but most importantly, don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.